Sleep is essential for several crucial reasons, all tied to maintaining our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Sleep is necessary for various physiological processes that support overall health. One of the key reasons we need sleep is for restoration and healing. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and restoration processes, including muscle growth, tissue repair, and the release of growth hormones. This helps to restore and rejuvenate the body's cells, ensuring that we wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Another vital function of sleep is its role in brain function. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories, processes information, and clears out toxins that accumulate during wakefulness. This helps improve learning, problem-solving skills, and overall mental clarity. Without adequate sleep, cognitive functions can become impaired, leading to difficulties in concentrating, making decisions, and retaining information. Emotional well-being is also closely linked to sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to mood swings, irritability, and increased stress levels. Sufficient sleep helps stabilize emotions and improve overall mental resilience, allowing us to handle life's challenges more effectively. Furthermore, sleep is essential for a healthy immune system. During sleep, the body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight infections and inflammation. Adequate sleep boosts the immune system, making it more effective at warding off illnesses and promoting overall health. Sleep also provides the energy needed for daily activities and physical performance. Lack of sleep can lead to fatigue, decreased motivation, and reduced physical endurance. A good night's sleep ensures that we have the energy and stamina to perform at our best, whether it's at work, school, or in recreational activities. Additionally, sleep helps regulate various hormones in the body, including those related to appetite, stress, and metabolism. For example, sleep influences the production of leptin and ghrelin, hormones that control hunger and satiety. Disrupted sleep patterns can lead to weight gain and metabolic issues, further emphasizing the importance of sleep for overall health.